In today's video, I'm going to teach you OBS Studio, how to crop and resize video capture. Let's jump right in. Start by opening OBS Studio. Make sure you're looking at the scene where you want your camera or capture device to appear. In the Sources panel, click to select your existing video capture source. When it's selected, you'll work directly on it in the preview area. To resize the source, click it in the preview so you see a red outline with handles. Drag any corner handle to scale the video up or down smoothly. Corners are ideal because they help keep the image looking natural while you change size. If you don't see the red outline, the source might be locked. Unlock it in the Sources panel, then try again. As you resize, aim for a size that fits your layout without covering important elements like overlays or text. Next, let's crop. Hold the Alt key on Windows, then click and drag any of the red handles inward to cut off unwanted edges. This is perfect for removing a webcam's empty background or trimming off a capture card's noisy borders. On a Mac, use the Option key. Cropping in OBS is non-destructive, so you can always drag those edges back out to restore what you trimmed. Take your time here. Small, precise drags can make your frame look clean and professional. If your camera appears mirrored and you want to correct it, right-click the source, go to Transform, and choose Flip Horizontal. This flips the image left to right, so on-screen text reads properly and movements match what viewers expect. To quickly fill the canvas, right-click the source again, open Transform, and choose Fit to Screen. This scales and centers the video to fit your current canvas size while keeping the aspect ratio intact. It's great for fast setup or when you switch to a new layout and need everything aligned. If you need to intentionally stretch or distort the video to fill an exact space, hold Shift while dragging the handles. This ignores the aspect ratio, letting you force the image to fit. Use this sparingly. Distortion can make faces or graphics look off, but it can help with backgrounds or abstract elements. For the most precise control, right-click, go to Transform, then Edit Transform. Here you can enter exact pixel values for position, width, height, crop amounts, and even rotation. This is especially useful when you're matching a template or aligning multiple sources so everything lines up perfectly. That's it. With these tools, resize, crop, flip, fit, stretch, and edit transform, you'll shape your video capture cleanly and confidently in OBS Studio.